Get started training for a career for all seasons by starting an HVAC program at Lincoln. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technicians are needed year-round in residential, business, and industrial settings. Whatever the climate, wherever the place, there's a need for proficient HVAC technicians. Some of Lincoln's campuses have been recognized by HVAC Excellence for their heating, ventilation, and air conditioning training and education. Your HVAC curriculum includes identifying and maintaining automatic control components and their application to combustion theory and efficiency testing, servicing and maintaining heat exchangers, blower motors, fans, and thermostats, troubleshooting commercial refrigeration control systems, repairing and replacing compressors, heat exchangers, and refrigerant piping, and plotting air conditions with psychometric charts. Plus, train on energy efficiency fundamentals in exciting emerging fields like solar thermal and geothermal energy, and put your HVAC skills to the ultimate climate control test in simulated greenhouses. Our Union, New Jersey campus has even been selected by the Green Mechanical Council as a school of distinction for its commitment to including environmentally friendly green concepts in its curriculum. So train with a school that's a leader in advancing HVAC and climate control technology. Train with Lincoln and get started on the road to your new career and even your own business as an HVAC technician.